Alright, so I think I got that set up pretty good, got it focused. But as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm adding a brace here. And the reason I'm adding that brace is my fender, of course, is going to be over the tire. And then we are going to mount the fender here and here, and through here and through here. So that shouldn't go anywhere. Again, I'm going to bolt it. The reason I'm bolting it is because if I screw it up, I can unbolt it and put a new fender on. Not a big deal. I don't plan on screwing it up, but you know, you get too many beers in you, never know what happened on some of these things. So I'm going to go ahead and let the camera run. I'm just going to kind of weld this up a little bit. I mean, you guys have probably all seen welding, but I'm going to go ahead and let the camera run, weld that up. Not really liking how my wire speed's responding, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit and go from there. And of course, I am blind, so I have to have a light on when I'm welding. It helps. Snip the end, get a nice clean end. Back way too much. Alright, that'll work. I got some good penetration there. I'm going to go on the back side. I'm going to weld it on the back side. And then the next thing I'm going to do, probably don't have to show you, I'm going to put the tire back on and determine my brace height. That's going to go across here. Weld that up. We'll do the same to the other side. So I'll check in with you here after a little while.